My office represents about 100 people, 100 to 150 people a year for DUI, and we represent quite a few of those clients are also prescription drug DUIs. So in Arizona, a person can have a prescription drug in their system, and they're actually prescribed the medication and still get a DUI charge. Now, there are a couple different types of DUI. You've got a drug DUI, and then you have a regular DUI, what they call impaired to the slightest degree. So if you have a valid prescription from your drug, it may be a defense for the drug DUI, but it would not necessarily be a defense for the impaired to the slightest degree. So depending on the court that you're in, the city or the county, they would still move forward with prosecution. Now, one of the more common drugs that we see, and the reason why I'm bringing this up is because I just left a hearing handling a matter, is for lorazepam, which is also called Xanax. And we see a lot of Xanax DUIs. The issue that I found with these cases is a person could have a prescription for Xanax, provide the prescription, the city prosecutor or the county prosecutor will know that Xanax is a non-impairing drug, but they'll continue moving forward with prosecution. And as a defense attorney, this drives me absolutely insane, because what we do is we hire, I use an expert scientist, and that's key. It's very, very important that when you have a DUI attorney, that he or she has a close working relationship with the scientist. We've used a scientist who's been testing blood and testifying for the past 20 years. He's incredible at what he does, and he would testify at court, or he does testify at court, that Xanax or lorazepam is non-impairing as long as a person's within therapeutic limits. And when we receive the blood analysis back from the police department, they'll show us what their limits are. So as long as they're in therapeutic limits of their prescription, you cannot be impaired. And the state or the city may say whatever it is that they want to say, but here we are, we're going to present this expert scientist saying that their ability to operate a motor vehicle is not impaired by this. Then that's going to lead credibility to our case and discredit the prosecutor's case, and then we're going to get the case dismissed. So DUIs can be incredibly complicated from the forensic side, from the toxicology side. I know the ins and outs of DUIs. I know all the subtle defenses, and I know prescription drug DUIs. So if you've been charged with a prescription drug DUI, charged with a Xanax DUI, an Ambien DUI, any type of morphine DUI, marijuana DUI, call me. Let's get your case dismissed together, 602-980-1987.